Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the real, the official, the authentic, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I want to tell you this day has been really bad. I spent 11 hours gasping for air. I finally found my second inhaler, and it was on the bed all the time, buried under blankets. So I used that, used this inhaler, now, whatever the hell it is, used one of these, and then took a very long hot shower, and I was able to clear my lungs out a little bit and coughed up one little tiny bit of stuff, which is amazing how much congested I was. And now I can breathe a little more normally. My lungs are very sore. I went down to feed Mama Cat and Kitten. Now I started to open the door. It started to rain about 8 o'clock. It's 10 minutes to 9 right now. And it only rained for about 20 minutes, but the wind was howling. Sheets of rain were coming down. It was misting like mist was coming down like you're at Niagara Falls and you're on the Lady of Lakes boat. And it was icy cold out there. So I immediately came back in, put my jacket on. I said, well, I ain't going down without a jacket. I ain't going down without a scarf, a hat. I called for Mr. H. Fluffington. Fluffington and little girl, they ran out of here like they were the Flash. They ran in here like they were the Flash, sorry. And Fluffy went in his cat bed, little girl went in the bedroom on the perch in the window, and I gathered everything up, went down and fed Mama Cat and Kitten. My neighbor, who is the B word, took all the dry cat food dishes and piled them up my plant table so the kitties couldn't eat. I don't understand that kind of behavior. She's got a cat. She knows I have cats. She knows I feed the cats and leave food out for my cats. But she's very selfish. Another reason why I want donations so I get the hell out of here. But in any event, went down to feed Mama Cat and Kitten, and they were looking around the whole time. Every noise they jumped because after dark the raccoons come out and chase them away from their food. So that's how my day went. I'm breathing now, thank God. I was in so much distress. All right, I am trying. Sorry to digress so long. Taylor Farms maple bourbon bacon chop kit, romaine lettuce, broccoli, red and Savoy cabbage, green onion, carrots, uncured smoky bacon, honey golden almonds with maple bourbon vinaigrette. I want to let you tell you, they don't give you a lot of almonds in this, and they give you a little packet of bacon. They give you a lot of vinegar. They give you a lot of the vinaigrette. So here's the bag. Here's what I'm eating. I'm saving the rest for tomorrow. I got a big bag of cabbage and lettuce and carrots. And here's the bowl. I threw the honey ham and some of the honey ham and the chicken. So let's mix this up. Never had this stuff before. Never even seen it before. I just thought I'd try it. All the rest were like ranch and buttermilk, and I can't eat any of that stuff. So this was it. Other than something plain, I didn't want to eat plain. I want to eat something. Now I got a ton of tuna fish. I could have put tuna fish in there, but that would have been weird, I think. So let's see. Let's see. Hmm. 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 Trying to find some bacon and oh, got an almond, honey almond. Um, very very crunchy. And I got a bacon bit. There's a bacon bit on the fork. Bacon bit is kind of like chewing an eraser. It's not hard, but it's chewy. It's rubbery. Nothing wrong with it. Just takes a while. So here's whatever I'm eating here. I don't know if it's ham or chicken. I think it's ham. And I haven't eaten anything all day except a cup of hot tea. Not really drinking. 1 glass of water to take my pills. Oh, all that wheezing, the roof. My mouth is raw now. Hurts. Mr. Fluffington decided he wanted to go out again. So we will see at the conclusion of eating if he wants to come in. Most obsessed cat of the 25 cats I've had in 42 years. I've never had a cat want to go out as much. Not even Baby Mouse, the black cat, want to go out as much as Fluffy. The lettuce is very crunchy. Bacon's not so much. And I like the almonds. It would be nice to get some bacon bits with this separately and find some kind of jar of the honey almonds. I kind of like the honey almonds, but they're so small. You crunch them and they're gone. This is pretty good, but of course they never give you enough with these packs. You'd have to get 2 to get enough, or buy your own stuff. But now I put a little Wishbone vinaigrette on the side, and I think their vinaigrette is much better. But of course, if you have some ham, honey ham, throw some of that in. It goes really well with this stuff. All right, that's pretty good. Needs a little more extra flavor enhancements, though. But other than that, for $3.99 or whatever it was, it isn't bad. I'd buy it again. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I'm going to eat this, have my tea, and take a nap after I check to see if Mr. Fluffington wants in. And when I get the new camera light, I will take a better video of him lying in the kitty bed. He loves his kitty bed. Gets that, and he falls asleep in about 30 seconds, and he doesn't get up for a while. So he really likes the kitty bed a lot. On the 31st, I will go buy a kitty bed for Tiny, not Tiny One, for thinking about Tiny One, for Little Girl and Fuzzy, and I'm sure, and I'll put straighten up the bed, rewash everything on the bed, and put the kitty beds on their bed, and then I'll have the camera light and the log extender LED lamp on, and then I can film them in their kitty beds on the bed and look very cute. Now, I can't move Fluffy's kitty bed because Fluffy gets cranky if I move him or his spot. So I'm going to have to buy a 3rd kitty bed so that he can curl up on the left side of the bed, and his spot on the left side of the bed, by the way, that Fuzzy keeps taking over, and all 3 of them will be lined up, and I can take a video of them. It won't be as good as Lucky Ferrell's, but it'll be the best I can do given the space I have. And she just posted a new video, so watch that if you're into her channel. And I love her cats. And there's the Christmas card she sent me. I love all the cats: Hydrox, Boo, and Simba, and cute Shiloh Splashy, and Stella, and Ditto. And they're all have their own personalities. It's so cute to watch them. And Hydrox loves his outdoor kitty house. Everybody loves watching Hydrox sleep, and his house is all decorated for Christmas. It's so cute. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, at 8:58 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Have a great night. Definitely stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. Try to stay warm and dry, and I will be doing my NFL picks in the morning. I'm going to set the clock for 7. I posted a bunch of videos to my forum, and we'll review some things. And this time I'll write my picks down. I never did get through figuring out what I picked last week, and I'll do my video. I'll do my video, and I hope then that I won't have breathing difficulties tomorrow. I'm going to stay out other than feeding the cats and throwing out my recycling. I've got 2 paper bags and a bucket and the garbage. That I will have enough energy to sweep the floor in the kitchen and mop it this tomorrow and put some of this stuff that's sitting on the floor away. I'm not going out in the cold more than twice, and I'll be bundled up to do it. And hopefully it'll not rain. They said the rain's moving out, so I think it won't have a problem. I'll feed the kitties in the morning, the other kitties. All right, this is George Senda. Have a great night, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.